Hello learners, this is your teacher Alchemist. So for today's video is we're going to answer a question gikan sa atuang bunot box. So the question is, which of the following is not correct? So let's try to apply elimination method based sa atuang choices. We have 4 choices. So for letter A, we have 3 to the power of 3 is equals to 3 times 3 times 3. So we have the power of 3 and our base is 3. So we have 3 threes. So this choices is correct. For letter B, we have 5 to the power of 2 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we have 5, 2. But our base is 5 and the exponent is 2. So we must have 5 times 5 because our base is 5 and the exponent is 2. So this choices is wrong. So for letter C, we have 7 raised to the power of 3. So we have 7 raised to the power of 3. 7 times 7 times 7. So our base is 7 and the exponent is 3. So we have 3, 7. So letter C is correct. For letter D, we have 10 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So we have the base is 10, the exponent is 4. So we have 4 ka 10. So letter D is correct. So to answer our question, which is not correct, so that is the letter B. Hope you learned something from my video. Bye-bye. See you.